In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down menu in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and click Menus. If you don't already have a menu, click Create a new menu, give it a name, and click Create Menu. Next, add the pages you want to include by selecting them from the Pages section and clicking Add to Menu. Once the pages appear in the menu structure, click and drag the page you want to place under another page slightly to the right. This will make it a sub-menu item and create a drop-down menu. You can add multiple sub-menu items the same way. When you're finished, click Save Menu. Then make sure the menu is assigned to your website's primary navigation location. Now visit your website and hover over the parent menu item. You'll see the drop-down menu appear with all your sub-menu pages. That's how you create a drop-down menu in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.